Yo, what's good, fam? It's your boy King Breezy. Just wanted to hop back on here and do a quick trade breakdown, show you guys how I made the $500 trading GU. So let's get right into it, man. When it comes to me trading, I usually start off on a daily time frame, and I start on a daily time frame to get a daily bias of the day that I'm going to be trading. So let me walk you guys through that process real quick. So actually, let me just delete this and we'll redraw it later. So I use this indicator called fractals. Pretty much it just shows you swing highs and swing lows in the market. So when I see a swing low formed, I'm gonna be looking for bullishness on the next day, especially after a break of structure. So as you can see, this little green arrow here just indicates that a swing low has formed. So the swing low is a 3-bar formation. So these 3 bars form this once these candles close, this green arrow will appear, and once I see that, I know I'm going to be bullish on this day, and this is the day I caught the trade. But you don't want to just take any fractal like this. What you want to be looking for is either fractals in trending markets or break of structures. So when I took this trade, I had a break of structure. So you can see the market was just trending down, break structure. Once it broke structure, now I'm looking for a swing low to create it. This is the swing low that gets created, these 3 candles. So on this candle, I'm going to be bullish. And as you can see, this candle was super bullish. So if I just go to the replay, this is what I was seeing. And you don't see the green dot because this candle hasn't come closed yet. I don't know why it does that on the replay mode, but once you hit the replay mode, you'll see it pops. But I promise you, it'll show before any price action happens on this day. So once I saw this swing low formed, I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, what I am looking for, actually let's do this. Let me go back to the daily, and let me go back here like this, and it drops out 15. All right, cool. So once I am bullish on the day, when it comes to actually taking the setup, what I'm looking for is a bullish run. So I just want to see a bullish move on my bullish day, and then I'm looking to capitalize on the retracement during session, like in my session time. So that's all I'm waiting for. So as this candle starts, we can see, you see, boom. So you see how price is pushing up. That is exactly what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for that bullish momentum to the upside, and price is pushing super strong. So once I see price starts to reject and start to trade down, as you can see, like clearly this is clear rejection from this level. That's when I draw my Fibonacci. So the way I draw my Fibonacci's is I do it from the bodies of the candles, not the wicks. So I just find the lowest body closure here, because I just want to catch the retracement of this move up. So I find the lowest body here, highest body here, boom. Now I know my Fibonacci looks a little bit different from a lot of people's Fibonacci, and that's because these are the only levels I work with. I keep my Fibonacci super clean and simple, and it kind of helps me get rid of all that brain fog and all that information overload. So these 2 levels are my entry levels. So I'm either going to enter at 0.705, or I'm going to enter at the 79. Usually I like to enter at the 79 because it gives me a better risk to reward. However, you can enter on either one of these levels. It's just a matter of preference, pretty much. I will say, entering at the 79 level, you may miss a few trades because sometimes price doesn't push all the way down to that level. However, the upside of entering at that level is you get better risk to rewards. So once I saw price starting to pull back, I set my order like in this area here. I don't remember. I'm gonna put a screenshot up of my actual trade, that way you can see the parameters. But it was like this level here, and I just targeted like right here. Yeah, target like right there. right? And then when I trade, I use limit orders. I really don't use market executions anymore. I like using limit orders because it allows you to get into the market where you want to. I will use market executions here and there, but I would literally say like 90% of my trades are limit orders. So as price pushed up and started to push down, I set my order and I just let the market come to me. I just chill, let the market come to me. You know, listen to some music, watch TV, watch a show, watch a movie or something, and just let the market do its thing. I'll usually put an alert like right here, and it'll be like, oh, GU entry. So I'll get an alert on my phone like, oh, okay, market's come down and put me into the market. So then I'll come back to the charts and see. So as you can see, I got tagged in on that oh, sorry, let me take away the fractals. I don't use fractals on the lower time frames. Just as a heads up, I do not use them on the lower time frames, only on the daily. But as you can see, market comes down, tags me in on this candle. I get the entry alert. I'm like, cool, I'm in. And then it's just a beautiful trade. Price shoots down. I got a little bit of drawdown, but not too much. Barely had any kind of drawdown on this trade. Pushes down, and then immediately the next candle, boom, pushes up. And once I see that, I'm like, all right, we're good to go. Let's just let the market do its thing. And then as you can see, push down a little bit, but other than that, boom, just huge move to the upside. And I could have held this trade for a long time. Usually I like to hold my trades to this level here, but it was a Friday, and I don't really like holding trades that long on Friday because I know the momentum on Fridays tend to slow down relatively quickly. However, if I could have held this trade, and it did push up almost to it, but I was happy with this. That's why I just took my money, got out the market. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. It's a very simple strategy, very easy trading. Like I said, just come to the daily time frame, turn on my fractals, right? And I'm just looking for a trending structure or a break of structure, and then looking for a swing low to be created or a swing high to be created. And then I know on that next day, on that next candle, I'm gonna be looking for either bullishness or bearishness based off the situation. So in this situation, we saw the break of structure, pull back, swing low be created. So I'm looking to go bullish on this day. Come to our 15-minute time frame, entry time frame. We're looking for this bullish rally pre-session, and we get this bullish rally pre-session, pulls back into our entry area, our OTE area, optimal trade entry area. Take the entry and just let the market do its thing. And that's pretty much how I trade. That's how I take all my trades. Very simple trading, very easy trading. And yeah, that's it, man. Pretty much that's it. If you guys want like a full video or like a deeper dive into my strategy and a breakdown of my entire system, let me know in the comment section below. And then if you guys want to know, or you want me to talk about any other concepts, or you guys are confused on any other kind of concepts, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll make sure I'll get to filming a video for that too. Just kind of help you guys get some more of that like mental clarity when it comes to trading. Outside of that, this is your boy King Breezy, and I'm out, man. Peace.